Hey friends, if you wish to fix the Cxuiusvc Services High CPU usage on Windows, then please watch this video. Now before we move to the solutions, I'll show you something. In the service manager, you will not even find this service, okay, in most probability. So it is associated with something that is a very different process, and you cannot change the service, so it doesn't even exist in the service manager. Now here's what you can do. The best of what you can do: first of all, restart your computer, then play with the audio drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for audio drivers. Right click on the first one, select properties, go to the driver tab. First try updating it if it helps. If it doesn't, then roll back the driver. If that doesn't help either, then uninstall the device and click on OK. Click on action and click on scan for hardware changes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.